Hello everyone, William here from Borey Williams. Super excited to show you something very special today. This is our Oasis Villa. Today I'm going to show you all the ins and outs and cool features of our Oasis Villa, which is our new flagship home here at Borey Williams. This is by far the coolest, most modern, most unique floor plan on the market here in Phnom Penh, and I'm going to show it to you today. Starting at the front of the Oasis, you immediately see the curved driveway feature. This allows parking up to 3 or 4 vehicles and makes it so much easier and safer when you're driving out because you don't have to put your car in reverse, avoiding any accidents when backing out. The driveway is covered by a large balcony extending out from the house, providing rain cover and shade to the front entrance of the home. The facade of the Oasis is impressive. It has a dynamic, asymmetrical design with different levels and textures of materials throughout. There are 3 different types of natural stone on the facade, as well as white granite steps at the front entrance. Wood paneling adorns sections of walls and the underside of the balcony. Black welded steel design accents attached to the oversized picture windows on either side of the house really give the Oasis a modern, stylish look. Around each of the windows are angled box framing with hidden channel lighting, which give an amazing glowing effect at nighttime. The Oasis is 3 stories tall and has a total square footage of over 4,400 square feet, or 410 square meters of living space. This floor plan features a total of 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, 3 balconies, a loft, walk-in closets, and fantastic set of materials and fixture choices that are made to impress. The standard lot size of an Oasis Villa is a spacious 65 feet by 65 feet, or 20 meters by 20 meters. Each home comes grassed in with small shrubs in front and 2 mature coconut trees on either side. Many customers choose to expand their lot size by purchasing additional land. With a large lot size, there is plenty of room to put in a pool, outdoor kitchen, or covered patio. As you walk into the Oasis, you will push open the thick, custom-made natural wood doors, which make a bold statement to everyone coming into your home. As soon as you step into the foyer, you see a wide-open floor plan with no exposed columns, tall ceilings, and a refreshing color scheme throughout. The ground floor has a living room, dining room, kitchen, 1 bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a guest bathroom, a closet by the front door, and a laundry and storage room. The living room features a massive 6-meter tall ceiling and picture window, which give guests a feeling of spaciousness. This is accented by a 2-meter long crystal chandelier as well as track lighting. Dry stone cladding is used as a wall feature as well as wood-style ceramic floor tile in the living room to give some earthy tones and textures. Next, there is a welded steel, faux finish partition between the living room and the dining room, which gives just enough separation between rooms without losing the feeling of spaciousness in the home. The choice of floor tile used throughout the Oasis are oversized 2 feet by 4 feet, or 60 centimeter by 120 centimeter ceramic tiles, which contribute to the large feeling throughout the home. The dining room has 2-layer offset ceilings with stylish LED lighting over the dining room table. Moving from the dining room to the kitchen, you immediately see a split-level minibar with bar stool seating, able to sit 3 or 4 guests. This kitchen set comes standard with wood paneling in the front of the bar, side shelving, and custom-made ceiling decor with modern accent lighting. Inside the kitchen, you will see our standard white granite countertops with matching backsplash in a U-shaped configuration around the kitchen. There are a total of 20 individual cabinets and drawers over and under, making sure you never run out of storage space for all your dishes and utensils. The recessed gas range and oven hood come standard, and all faucets used in the kitchen and bathrooms are Kodo brand faucets and fixtures. The bedroom downstairs is perfect for a guest room, or for elderly family members that find it difficult to move up and downstairs. This room features floor and ceiling windows, accent wall lighting, offset ceilings, and an ensuite bathroom. The bathroom, like all Oasis bathrooms, have black countertops with cabinets below, American standard bowl-style wash basins, and Rinnai hot water rain shower units in a contemporary glassed in-shower stall. The front entrance closet is a common feature in nearly all American homes, but it is a rarity in traditional Cambodian homes. This offers added convenience to keep shoes, coats, umbrellas, and other items out of sight. The laundry room has space for a washer and dryer, as well as for additional shelving if needed. The half bathroom for guests is spacious and complete with the latest Kodo brand fixtures. Coming to the staircase to go to the upper floors, you immediately notice the floating style design with glass and polished steel handrail. The surface material used is white polished granite for the entire staircase, giving this a luxurious and contemporary feel. Even the staircase, which is a completely utilitarian necessity, can be made to enhance eye appeal and the overall living experience in the home. Coming up to the first floor landing, the first room you see is the loft. There is a glass and polished steel banister facing the front with a view of the crystal chandelier and the 6-meter tall picture window. This sizable room has plenty of space to be used as a family room, a game room, a home library, or even a movie room. Moving to the next room on the left is the master suite. There are no other bedrooms on this floor, so this room has the highest level of privacy of all the rooms. Coming into the master suite, you see ample living space with tall offset ceilings, accent wall lighting, and floor-to-ceiling windows. There is a perfect cozy sitting place for a sofa and ottoman when you want to watch TV. There is also space for a vanity or coffee bar. On the left, as you enter the suite, is a large, sleek, ensuite bathroom, complete with black granite countertops, a double wash basin feature, recessed wall storage spaces, and a glassed-in shower stall. This bathroom is plenty large enough so that customers can upgrade to add a bathtub should they desire to. Next, this master suite includes an oversized walk-in closet room with many custom cabinet choices available. Topping off the master suite is your very own enormous private balcony overlooking the front of the property. It's a perfect place to enjoy a morning coffee or for a couple to have a romantic evening meal outdoors. Walk up the white granite staircase again and you come to the second floor landing. Immediately in front, you walk through double glass doors leading out to a massive outdoor balcony. This is the perfect space for entertaining guests or holding evening parties. This balcony space can also be utilized for outdoor exercise space, rooftop gardens, or even installing a minibar or barbecue set for when you want to host guests. Back inside on the second floor, you will find 2 more bedrooms and a shared full bathroom. The first bedroom has high ceilings, LED lighting, and a floor-to-ceiling window to let in ample light. This room is ideal for a child's room or guest room. This room, as well as all rooms in the house, come standard with air conditioning units. Moving forward to the fourth and final bedroom in this house, you will find a very unique layout. This bedroom has an elongated footprint with a walk-in closet and sliding glass doors leading out to a private balcony. The private balcony is adorned with wood paneling on one wall and ceiling, and the other wall is cladded with natural sandstone. This is an optimal room for a home office or even a music room, and offers a matchless view from the front of the property. This magnificent floor plan can also be expanded to add more bedrooms or bathrooms for customers needing even more space. This Oasis Villa is the perfect match for customers looking for a modern and sophisticated design and a totally unique floor plan where they can express their inner creativity. With this home's rock-solid construction standards and excessive use of premium materials, customers will be able to enjoy this home for generations. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough video. We're excited to hear what you think. Put your comments in this video or contact us if you want to learn more. We'd love to hear from you. Talk to you soon.